Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nofenka Permata Islami. My student ID number is 2003-5161-5609. I'm from offering B. Today, I will explain about the microsporogenesis. First, to understand more about the detailed explanation, do you know what is microsporogenesis? Okay, first, we must know if microsporogenesis is a part of the gametogenesis process that occurs in seed plants. Gametogenesis is the process of gamete formation that occurs in the reproductive organs and will occur in mature organisms, both in humans, animals, and plants. So, gametogenesis in seed plants consists of two. The first is microsporogenesis and the second is a megasporogenesis. Both will occur in seed plants and then will have different processes. But now I will explain about the microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis is the process of forming male gametes on the male genitals, or rather occurs in the anthers. From that, of course, will produce pollen or microspore. As previously known, microsporogenesis occurs in the anthers. From the first picture, we know in there exists pollen sac or microsporanium that contains pollen stem cells, that is microsporocytes. And then I will explain about the microsporogenesis process given from the second picture. The first stage, the diploid pollen stem cells undergo meiosis 1. From that will be produced a pair of haploid cells. For the second process, continued with the occurrence of meiosis 2 in the pair of haploid cells. From that, tetrad will be produced that contains 4 haploid microspores, which are grouped. Next process, each of these microspores will undergo a karyokinesis division that occurs is a nuclear division phase consisting of 4 stages, such as the stage of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and then telophase. Because this process without being followed by cytokinesis, so that 2 haploid cores will be produced in the form of a pollen channel nucleus and a generative nucleus. And then, in angiosperm plants, mitosis division occurs. So, the generative nucleus will divide to 2 sperm nuclei, each of which is haploid. So, from the results of the microsporogenesis process, it can be concluded if in one drip pollen grain contains 3 haploid cores consisting of a vegetative core, a generative 1 core, and a generative 2 core. One of the gamete formation processes is like the microsporogenesis process previously described, namely for the reproduction of the reproductive organs that have been produced, so as to preserve the species by reproducing heredity. I think that's all I can explain. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.